In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a stop-motion animation using Canva. We'll start from a blank canvas and end with a smooth loopable animation you can share anywhere. Open Canva and choose a video format that matches where you'll post your project. Mobile video is a great default if you are creating for phones, but any video canvas works. A consistent aspect ratio from the start ensures your frames line up neatly and you won't need to resize later. Next, upload your sequence of photos. Drag the first image onto the canvas and resize it to fill the frame. If it doesn't fit perfectly, scale it up while keeping the subject centered so important details don't get cropped. Keeping your photos named in order can make the process feel seamless as you go frame by frame. Before we duplicate anything, adjust the timing. Set the page duration to a low value like 0.3 or 0.4 seconds. This creates the classic, choppy stop-motion feel and gives you a baseline speed. You can always nudge this number up or down later to fine-tune the pacing once you see your animation in motion. Now, click Duplicate Page. On the new page, make a small change to the element you are animating. Nudge it a few pixels, rotate it slightly, or swap in the next photo in your sequence. The key is subtlety. Tiny, consistent adjustments keep the movement believable and avoid jarring jumps. If you are moving an object across the scene, keep your direction and spacing steady so the motion looks intentional. Continue duplicating the page and making incremental changes for each new frame. Think of each duplicate as one step forward in your story. If you want smoother transitions between slides, apply the match and move transition. This helps Canva interpolate movement from one frame to the next, softening the shift while still preserving that stop-motion charm. To build a consistent scene, pull in elements from Canva's library or remove backgrounds from your photos so your subject sits cleanly on the canvas. Consistency in lighting, shadows, and scale helps sell the illusion, and layering objects thoughtfully keeps your focus where it matters. When you are ready, hit play to preview. Watch for any stutters or sections that feel too quick, then adjust the frame duration or spacing as needed. Once you are satisfied, click Share and download your animation as an MP4 video for broad compatibility or a GIF for short, looping clips. And that's it. Thanks for watching.